Hello everyone, my name is Bobby and I'm going to teach the basics of estate inventory records keeping. And we're going to talk about why it's important to create an estate inventory list. We go over this stuff, to share it because, I'm a licensed realtor, and going through transactions, each one I get more experience. We've been getting a lot of clients come through that's having problems with estate issues on some of them. I mean, we done closed a lot of them and got those handled. But my wife, she made a video of the probate process, which you can see the link right there up top that would explain the whole process. So now I'm making this video to explain things inside the process, which, and like she said, I got notes here, so I'm not shooting off the head, but this stuff, I wanted it to be accurate as possible because I want you to be able to use these as actionable steps to make things easier in the future. Because, I'm a licensed real estate agent and I see families, trying to, liquidate assets to handle their estate issues, and they can't move because the estate wasn't planned out properly for them to be able to execute the responsibilities that they have for, being the executor or the administrator. So I want to explain this part inside the process for you to be able to, already have it, where you got that done. Okay, and inventory your stuff. This is important because this works. And if you contact an estate attorney, they can properly put stuff inside of a trust, and that you avoid the whole probate court if you do that. So you want to find you a real estate attorney or get you an affordable plan from somewhere to get legal advice, because I am not an attorney. Okay, and yeah, so you want to get an affordable plan. Like I think LegalZoom or Prepaid Legal. It's a lot of plans out there. Or contact your own family attorney to set you up a trust and transfer assets inside the trust. Totally avoid the probate court. So now, this is just a part of the thing to protect, your loved ones. I mean, because the clients we working with, they ended up in foreclosure because they can't speak to the bank because they don't have the authorization. So you need an authorization to talk to the bank. And so if the estate is not set up right, they don't have that authority to, make the moves to settle everything, pay the bills and everything like that, because they're stuck. So this right here is a big part that will avoid family and loved ones getting stuck inside probate court. So I'm gonna go over estate planning basics, and this is the very important, because this is the inventory, the things that you want loved ones to have. So we're gonna go over it, and like I said, I got my notes right here, so I want to make sure it's accurate as possible. And so now you want to inventory your stuff. You can start doing that now. You buy something, start writing out how much you paid for it, you know what I'm saying? So that, they can get a rough number. That helps appraise things in the future. When, they start, if it ends up in probate court, it's going to get appraised and possibly have, the wrong value or something like that. So just put in there what you think the value is. I am a licensed real estate agent. I can send you a free CMA report of your real estate so that you can get, understand what the value is, because a licensed appraiser is going to charge you for the appraisal to find the value of your home, not your personal items. The personal items are different. So like when you buy something like a camera or iPad, you want to write that into your inventory list and then think ahead. We're not going to be here forever. You can write on that inventory list who you want to have it at that time. If something happened to you tomorrow, who would you want to have that? Because I know my son, he's a photographer. So you understand what I'm saying? Think of people that you love and what they do, and things that you would say, hey, I want him or her to have this. Okay? So now you got homes, land, and other real estate, which I would send you a free CMA report. Contact me, or and you give me the address and I'll run a comp for you and send that to you. And then, over time, I done gave comps to people, 2-3 years ago. Those might not be the ones you need for today. So just reach out to me, send me the address. I would love to work with you. Don't matter where you're at. I would love to work with you. Okay? So now, this includes, in your inventory, this list includes vehicles, motorcycles, boats, your coins, art, antiques, trading cards. My brother used to collect those cards back in the days. He bought a bunch of them, and they was good cards. So again, you want to inventory this stuff. Okay, then you got other personal possessions, checking accounts, savings accounts, stocks, bonds, life insurance policy, retirement plans, your 401ks, health savings account, ownership in business. Now, stuff happens all the time randomly, and but this is something that you can do by just writing your stuff down and who and where you want it to go, or put it in a trust so that it can avoid the probate period. But if you don't do, even if you got a will, just do an inventory list to make it easier moving forward for somebody else, because I wouldn't want my wife, to go through the frustrations and everything that we are seeing, helping people with their real estate deals that they can't even, sign on. Okay. So yeah. But once you got your inventory list and stuff like that, put it with your will, and then you good to go. So those are the tips for estate planning basics that I'm going to share with you today, and there'll be more to come. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to keep sharing estate planning 101 with you so that you can take these steps and use them to have your estate in order. Okay? All right, you guys have a great day. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.